Alright guys, follow YouTubers. We have a 1988 Bayliner Capri 18-foot boat here. Doing a floor remodel, or I should say floor replacement. Here we have the front bow area where it was rotted. There's no supports, unfortunately, in the front of the bow, which I don't really understand why there isn't any. Here goes the front. Started to cut out the area of the floor between the two stringers here, where most of the rot was. There was a lot of rot on the ski locker as well. As you can see here, they call this a support. It's very, very, very thin piece of wood that just goes across the stringer. I don't understand why that is. So we cut around there, cut all the rot that we seen. Everything else seemed to be pretty good. I seem to be pretty lucky. Here is another part that just attaches to the stringer, which just was pretty skimpy, and that held the edges of the ski locker area there, which I will be replacing new braces. Some of the rot that we do see is right in here, where the support is between the gas tank and between the stringer there. I'll definitely be replacing that, maybe with some 1-inch instead of the half-inch that they have on here. It's just day one of me cutting this out. It's the first time I ever did it. Excuse me for this video here, but anyway, here goes the engine area here, which was completely rotted out. So this will be replaced. The storage boxes seem to be pretty good. Not actually. It's just one piece here that needs to be replaced. Other than that, everything else seems to be very, very solid. This one needs to be replaced. As you can tell, it's starting to rot. But the other one here, where the body box is in great shape. Just some debris on the bottom. And here I replaced the carpet. Well, I ripped the carpet up. Just to check to see if there was any rot anywhere in the vicinity, and I didn't see any. So it's all in good shape. I will start day 2 tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.